Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to join group Roblox on Xbox, and this is easy step you can do, guys. Just going to this some process and you're going your device on search roblox.com and see your account, and when you click your account, go to three line top corner and select groups and choose any group you want to join, and on top corner click group. After that, search whatever your group and join join example for Roblox, and let's say you want to join this group and click, and you need to go click this join group, and pretty much it's easy method, guys, you can do. And I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you on another video soon. Keep watching, guys. I hope this video